All right, it's good morning, Wednesday, December 3rd, and Kevin's here. He's putting on his riding clothes, and he's going to test ride this bike. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, Kevin is approaching the motorcycle. He's introducing himself to the bike. I do believe he's tickling that bike. Ooh, look at it wiggle. Tickle, tickle, tickle,
Nice.
wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Warm it up. Oh, wait a minute, no. Left side shift.
One down,
Yeah.
4 up.
Well, so far so good. Got my lady friend's side view mirror. Sorry about that mirror. There we go. Good mirror. Good mirror. Good mirror. All right. He'll be back. Here he comes. I don't know if it sounds a little rough or not. Hard to tell. Those are wide mirrors. Okay. So it sounds like it's idling a little high.
Yeah,
And
there
it's
are
a-
several little things. First of all, did you see the thing take off? I mean, when you turn the throttle, boom, you're gone.
All right.
I mean, it's got some nice pull.
Okay.
When you accelerate, you get that, and then once about 3,000 RPM, it takes off. But we're getting that hesitation through all the gears until you hit over 3,000 RPM. Also, the ignition light stays on the whole time.
That we know about. That I'm assuming, since I checked all the wiring,
Okay.
that is because I put an LED in there
Ah.
rather than a
Okay.
regular light bulb.
Yeah.
And I think we're going to be stuck with that.
That's fine as long as
Okay.
that is ignition and not something else.
Yep.
Rear brake's not very good.
Is that right?
Yeah, it's just.
It's got brand
usually
new
the rear's one you can count on, and it's just.
Is that right?
Yeah, it just. Front brake's great.
Now,
but-
is it you pedal play, or if you press.
Nah, it's just not slowing it down.
Well, it's brand new pads.
Yeah, yeah. They just need to wear in a little bit.
Well,
I mean, that would be a caution, but we still need to address that hesitation. I don't know. It could be that the gas is old. I have no idea about that.
all right, let's. Then what I'm going to do is, this guy is going to be waiting on parts as of today. As soon as I put those carburetors together, parts are on order. He comes down. All right.
Right.
This guy can go back up there, and I can go into the carbs and clean the jets and stuff like that. Then we can do another test ride and maybe do more riding to try to settle that rear brake in.
Yep.
Now, it's not working great, which is the flip side of it froze up.
Yeah.
So we have swung from one end to the other. All right, then I'm going to call this a not successful test ride, pending us going through the carburetor and doing more test riding on the rear brake. Okay, so it goes back up on the lift as soon as I can get it up there. And this is a pretty good, usually we come back and we have, our test rides are great.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so this one is one for the books. It's not so great. And sometimes,
Not horrible, just a
Yep.
bunch of little things
Yep.
that, need to be addressed.
sometimes you win.
Yeah.
Sometimes you lose. Sometimes it rains. That's from a movie.